Welcome back, guys, to Forex Beginner's Guide video 103. This video is about take profit. Now, what is a take profit? In Forex trading, take profit, also referred as TP, is a tool that automatically closes your trade when the market reaches a specific price level in your favor. Essentially, it's your way of locking in profits without needing to keep an eye glued to the markets at all times. For example, when you trade XAU which is gold versus US dollar, you can set take profit order so that once the price of gold hits your desirable level, your trade will close and secure you profits. Now, how does take profit work for XAU? Let's take an example. Let's say you've bought gold XAU at a price of 1800 and you've set your take profit at 1810, which is a 100 pip price increase that you're looking for. Once the price reaches 1810, your position will automatically close, locking in a profit based on your investment, which will be your lot size. That's how take profits work in XAU. Why is take profit important in XAU? Firstly, risk management. By setting take profit level in XAUUSD, you can ensure that your profits are protected if price moves in your favor. It allows you to control your risk to reward ratio by locking in a specific level of profit before the market turns. Automation. Take profit orders help you automate your exit strategy. This is very useful in volatile markets like gold, where price can change rapidly. You set your targets, and once the targets are hit, your trade exits, ensuring you lock in profits without constantly monitoring the markets. Discipline. Setting a take profit ensures that you stick to your trading plan. Without it, you might hold on to a position too long in hopes of more profits, and this can often lead to missed opportunities or losses. So that was all about this, guys. We will be making more videos explaining to you how and what you need to know before you jump into this industry. So I hope this all made sense, and watch the next videos to gather more information.